Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. I got a great app for you on how to get up to 25 cents a gallon every time you get gas. What? What a great way. You know what? It is a great app that I discovered. It's called Upside. Yes, it is. The link is below. You got to get started. It's free to join. But I'm going to tell you how do I get free? Well, it's not really free. Well, it's kind of cash back. It's a cash back app. To get cash back up to 25 cents a gallon. So to me, getting up to 25 cents a gallon, it's almost like getting free gas. So you might as well say, I'm going to tell you how I use the upside to get cash back. First of all, you click on the link below. Hey, free to join. But the thing is, it's only participating gas stations to get the cash back. So you must find participating in your area. Then you claim the offer. Then you pick the offer, and you're supposed to do that before you make the purchase. So before you purchase the gas, claim the offer, wherever the location you know the gas station is. It's over 20,000 gas stations that participate in Upside program. So you should be able to find some kind of gas station that under. Then you complete the deal and confirm, and like I said, and claim offer. And like I said, and then you just scan the receipt. Can't scan the receipt, but you're doing this by credit card. So you got to be doing this by credit card or debit card in order to do it. Some kind of card. So debit or credit card in order to do it. And then scan the receipt. And voila. And then they will honor your claim, and then you will get cash back on participating gas stations. But like I said, the link is below. Get started. See here? This one is said right here. Claim your offer. Find local offers for gas stations and restaurants. Some restaurants, it all depends on your area. And like I said, you shop. But like I said, in your area, it's gonna tell you the participating um, places that's in Upside, and then check in or scan receipts. But like I said, you have to do the claim offer first in order to do the other, to do especially this. And then, like I said, if it's not available, just snap a photo of it and then load it onto the app. Then get the rewards. You could get the gift card, then or directly to your bank or PayPal. And like I said, it add up. Look at these stories here. I'm up to $36 after 4 months by doing nothing, just by buying food. But like I said, look at these stories. The link is below. Get started. It's free to join. And like I said, food going up, gas going up. This is a great way. Look at these stories. Look at these testimonies from everyday people all over the U.S. Link is below. Get started. This is the free merchandise lady. I am here to help you. What? To save money. Just like I save money. I want you to save money.